What's up, guys? It's Taylor and Nathan. We're about to head out to Spokane and check out the cars. What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
So we're going to go see what we can't run into. Last weekend was a blast, but stay tuned and we'll show you what we found. Sweet.
That was good. I hope.
So Taylor and I are about to head out in the SC. And the rear brakes were really bad, and so Taylor ended up driving to Spokane Valley to go pick up the brakes. I pulled it all apart, but when I pulled it apart, I found out that that inner well was rusty. So I ended up grinding it all out, and now I'm going to hit it with some basic automotive primer and stop it from rusting, because dang, it's bad. This paint job on here is horrible. So no big deal, but we're gonna get it fixed real quick. So yeah, I had to grind way back there, but we're just gonna hit it real quick. We already cleaned it up. And I'm gonna repaint the car, so I'm not terribly worried about a perfect job here, but ghetto fabulous. But it won't rust anymore, and that's what matters. I think that'll work. It is no longer all rusted out. Cool. What's up? Oh, dang! That Mercedes got it going on. Watch him just dump it. Tried to have a little bit of a clear spot here. Nice!
Perfect. That was good.
I gotta kind of take it easy. She's running a little lean.
Oh, yeah. Man, that guy's in the air.
100% all the time.
Yeah.
Here, let's do this. That was so ghetto. It was awesome. Yeah, he was pretty crazy about cars. He was big in racing. Mike was a really good racer. Well, that's all we have for you today, guys. It's a pretty chill night. We had an absolute blast. We were trying out our new mic and ended up with a few problems, but whatever. We had a blast. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe down below. And also check on our last video. We're doing a giveaway on that video specifically. And I'll put a link for that video. But anyways, thanks again, guys. Stay tuned.